Good night, my name is Álvaro. Today I speak about the last trip with my family. Follow every tip if you want to travel to Mompiche, Ecuador. Why visit this place? Because in a place very relaxing where you can enjoy with your family every day. This is beautiful in all aspects and with all levels. Recommendations. When you arrive, you should immediately go to the restaurants, buffet and dine your palate. After that you head is a good idea. Go to the swimming pool and swim all you want because the pool is temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. It is important use clothes very comfortable and enjoy of all place that is the camera. It is recommend visit the islands. There is front of hotel and walk for the beach. It is better see the beautiful suns with the best company and 60 p.m. and during your eyes with this show. It is good idea to get up at 5:45 a.m. and see the beautiful sunrise to start the day. What you should do, it is best idea to the beach with your family and your friends because you should visit other places under you can with it walk or simply enjoy. What you should do, you should orient in the sea because there is agua mala and instants and dangerous for your body. Thanks. Goodbye.